What it does. Linux security hardening is the process of configuring and securing a Linux server to prevent unauthorized access, protect data, and ensure the integrity of the system. This involves using various tools and techniques to reduce the attack surface and prevent common vulnerabilities. Let's dive into each tool. Firewalld. What it does. Firewalld is a dynamic firewall manager that provides a simple and easy-to-use interface for managing firewall rules. Command/example. Breaking it down. Firewall CMD is the command line tool for managing firewalled. Permanent flag makes the changes persistent across reboots. Zone equals public specifies the zone to apply the rules to. Add service equals HTTP allows HTTP traffic. Common mistakes. Forgetting to reload the firewall rules after making changes. Not specifying the correct zone. Try this next. Configure firewall to allow only specific IP addresses to access the server. Use firewall CMD list all to view the current firewall rules. Pro tip. Use firewalled instead of iptables for managing firewall rules, as it provides a more user-friendly interface. SELinux. What it does. SELinux, Security Enhanced Linux, is a Linux security module that provides a mechanism for supporting access control security policies. Command/example. Breaking it down. SETenforce1 enables SELinux in enforcing mode. Sed command edits the /etc/SELinux/config file to set the SELinux mode to enforcing. Can command labels a file with the correct SELinux context. Common mistakes. Not understanding the different SELinux modes, enforcing, permissive, disabled. Not labeling files with the correct SELinux context. Try this next. Use cmanage to manage SELinux policies and labels. Configure SELinux to allow a specific service to access a file. Pro tip. Use audit to allow to generate SELinux policies based on audit logs. Fail2ban. What it does. Fail2ban is a software that scans log files for brute force login attempts and bans the IP addresses that exceed a certain threshold. Command/example. Add the following lines to the file. Breaking it down. Jail. Local file configures the fail2ban rules. SSH section configures the SSH login attempts. Enabled equals true enables the rule. Port equals SSH specifies the port to monitor. Filter equals SSHD specifies the filter to use. Logpathy equals /var/log/secure specifies the log file to monitor. Maxretry equals 3 specifies the maximum number of attempts before banning. Common mistakes. Not configuring the logpathy correctly. Not setting the maxretry value correctly. Try this next. Configure fail2ban to ban HTTP login attempts. Use fail2ban client to view the current banned IP addresses. Pro tip. Use fail2ban to ban IP addresses that exceed a certain threshold of failed login attempts.